You guys, I swear this happens every time I'm doing an intro. There's people that came out for a smoke and they're just like watching me. But anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Victoria. Today's vlog is going to be a maintenance vlog, beauty maintenance vlog, because I've always wanted to do one of these and came at the perfect timing because I'm actually going to get my teeth touched up, re-whitened, and then we're gonna add a tooth gem. I was not particularly like keen on getting the tooth gem, but it's mainly for content. I can come back and have it taken off, so I think I'm gonna have that done. But I was thinking about doing like a heart, like a crystal heart, maybe like a pink one. Honestly, I don't know, but yeah, we're going to Island Smiles and they're so sweet in there. Super excited to see them. It's been a while since the last time I got my teeth whitened. That's where I go. It's in King City, just so you guys know if you want to go. But also in this vlog, we are gonna get my nails done. This is what my nails are looking like right now. By the way, I'm wearing this jacket. It's from Zara. It's super cute. I actually just got it a couple days ago and I like it because it's white. I don't have like a white jacket like this. It's cropped. It's like a bomber style jacket, but it's super cute. And I also have on this Body by Raven Tracy hoodie. I actually just switched out my bag and this is the bag that I'm wearing. She's Louis, but you guys were already running late and I don't want to keep them too long, so I'll show you guys the rest of my outfit later on. But I'm excited to take you guys with me. Let's go get my teeth whitened and add on a tooth gem. 2025, so we're gonna like 10x our beauty and like just like really look like a whole new girl, because like we look good all the time, don't get me wrong, but we're gonna look 10 times better this year. Am I right? Oh, and I'm also gonna show you guys like my workout stuff, like because obviously that has to do with beauty maintenance. Yeah, okay, I'll see you guys in there. Guys, we're here signing the consent forms. I wish I brought my tripod, but I literally always forget. It's always the one thing that I forget.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, so we can try this on.
Okay guys, really quickly, my outfit. Jacket is Zara, top is Body by Raven Tracy. Pants, I actually got them from BSP. They are Adidas Stella McCartney. Bag is Louis, and the shoes are Isabel Marant. I don't know if you guys can see. Cute, cash. And yeah, let's go get our teeth situated. Okay guys, so we are in the washroom. They're just like prepping the stuff and I'm just like taking more content because what else am I supposed to do? This is my full outfit. So cute. And I'm ready for my tooth gems. I'm ready for my close-up. Super extra today, I don't know what's going on, but I'm cute. I'm so happy. For what? For why? Anyways, let's go.
And we'll start off with pictures before I
For YouTube, so this is gonna be in it. Okay, hi guys. So whitening is done. This is what they're looking like. I had these like white, like calcium squares. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, they're a lot lighter actually, and it like tends to fade out. Yeah, just got my teeth whitened. Now we're gonna do tooth gems. So let's go do that. Okay guys, we're in this little room. I wanted to show it to you guys. Look at how cute they decorated it. And I'm on this pink chair. So cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I just love this whole aesthetic. It's giving. Hi girls, so I'm back in my car. This is what they look like. Okay, so I got a heart and on this side it's the CC. The thing is, the CC can fall out at any time. But they're really cute and I love the heart, and my teeth are definitely whiter. Yeah, they killed it. So now what are we gonna do? I am going out tonight, so I might actually just go now and get my nails done. That's probably the smartest thing to do. I'm kind of over these nails, so if I don't go get my nails done, then I'm gonna go get them done tomorrow. 'Cause I have a wedding that I have to go to on Wednesday, which is 2 days away. So I should probably get my nails done now. Yeah, I feel so cute today and they're so sweet in there. Part of my beauty maintenance routine, obviously you have to take care of your teeth. It's very important. I actually washed my hair yesterday, so it's really nice and smooth, and I didn't do a hair mask because I didn't have to, because I did hair mask 2 weeks in a row and I like to give it a break so that I can make sure that it works. Let's go get my nails done. I want to get like a snack. I can't drink coffee because I just got my teeth whitened. But yeah, let's go. I can't stay here forever. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip. It's a couple days later. I'm in a rush. Actually, I'm not even gonna say that. I'm not in a rush. Rush for who? Rush for who, sir? Okay. So, hi. Good thing I brought my ring light. I'm going to a wedding. Not my own, obviously. I'm super single. If you know anybody. If you know anybody of high caliber, hit me up. Okay, and no, seriously though. Okay, we are going to get my nails done. I did not have time the other day because I ended up going out. That was fun, it was cute, but now we need to reset and we need to continue on with this beauty maintenance vlog because I promise you guys, outfit's super cute. I'll show it to you guys later. Maybe I might vlog at the wedding a little bit, but these are my nails right now. I have to get them done. I was thinking about doing, I don't know you guys, it's really serious right now, either a different shape, just like French tip, or navy, like same but like just like fully navy, like no French tip. So yeah, we'll see what I decide to do, but let's go inside because I'm already late and they're waiting for me. This is obviously a very important part of beauty maintenance because everybody's looking at our hands. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hands, beautiful face, beautiful everything. Like obviously the nails, they need to eat, so let's go get our nails done. Okay girls, let's go. Okay, hi guys, I'm back in my car. It is like pitch black outside. I'm so late for this wedding, but I have to show you guys my nails. For my nails, this is what I got done. They are super cute. They're navy, crosses on them. I don't know if you guys can see. Super duper cute, and I wanted to try something different. I'm not 1000% obsessed. Like I have to get used to it, but I do like that I added the crosses. I need a matcha. I am on a no coffee thing right now, so I had an electrolyte water. That has to do with beauty maintenance too. Like my body's just like not, like coffee will work for me for some reason for like an hour and then I'm like dead tired after, so I'm just like not doing coffee right now. I'm gonna go get an iced matcha, show that to you guys, and then we're gonna be on our way to the wedding. Okay, I will see you guys at Starbucks or after. I don't know, you guys, I'm running late. Okay, I have to go. Bye. Plans have changed. I don't know why, but I thought the wedding was today. And does this ever happen to anybody, or is it literally just me? Like, you guys, thank God it's not today because I would have been so late. I got changed. I couldn't find my glasses. It's just like one of those days, you know? Like I'm just having one of those days. I have HomeSense gift cards. I'm gonna go to HomeSense and I'm gonna do a TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok because I'm getting stuff for my new place. So yeah, film a TikTok and then I'm gonna go to Winners after. Hopefully I have time because I'm gonna like get some beauty stuff because I also have a gift card there. Yeah, this isn't like part of my beauty maintenance, obviously. This is like other stuff. Hi guys, so I'm at Montana's with my mom. We're at a girls' dinner. This is gonna be part of my beauty maintenance vlog because my mom got me some birthday gifts. I want to show them to you guys. I'm drinking a sangria. Mom, what are you drinking? Let me put the ring light on you. What is it? Don't be shy.
I'm very shy.
Don't be shy. Just drinking what? Tell me. Chardonnay. Very classy vibes. Got me my birthday gifts. I want to show them to you guys because I think that it would be cute to add it to my beauty maintenance because that is what it is. She Chanel Beauty for my birthday. I actually did a unboxing on my TikTok. If you guys want to go watch it. Okay. Ooh, thank you.
The food has arrived.
Okay, wait. The food has come, so I'm gonna like talk to you guys in a minute. We got nachos, half cheese and half no cheese because my mom hates cheese. Or she can't have cheese. She doesn't hate cheese. She's lactose. Tastes really good. I'm drinking my sangria with my mama. And obviously I need sour cream. Cheers. So good.
How are the nachos tasting so far?
So good. Thank you. We actually just finished eating dinner. I am so full. Are you full? Chanel Beauty. She got me this, which is really helpful. It is a like on-the-go powder brush. I actually just lost mine, so this is perfect. And it's just like on the go, super cute for like, you know, press powder and stuff. And then she got me soap, and this is like my favorite scent from Chanel. It is the Coco Mademoiselle scent, and it is a like bar of soap. This is perfect because it's gonna be for my new bathroom. And she's also gonna get me like a little dish soap thingy, so I can put this in, and it's gonna be like for display. But I also love the Coco Mademoiselle hair perfume. I literally use it every day. It's so good. She got me a whole run-through gift card, which is so sweet. So I could just like go to Chanel Beauty and like pick out whatever I want, like anything at whole run-through. I could just go ahead and get it. We just had so much food. I had nachos, had a burger, and I had a cookie, which we shared. It was like an ice cream cookie, and it was so good. Really enjoyed it. But now I'm just drinking water because that was so much food. I'm full. And I'm going to get a massage this week, so I don't know if I'm going to add that into this video, but if I do, we'll just go on to the next part.
This stuff's like one of my favorite parts. It smells so good.
Yeah.
So this is our microderm polish.
Okay.
It really just polishes your skin.
Love that.
So it's an exfoliant. And this is actually equivalent to having like almost one microdermabrasion treatment.
Okay, girls, so I am done my facial. Tracy did it and it was so good. My skin feels so nice and hydrated. So now we're gonna do cool sculpting, which I'm gonna show you guys. I think I'm gonna do my stomach. We look like extra lean and toned. So I'm gonna take you guys with me for that. Super exciting. But this is the room. It's so cute. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so now we are doing the cool sculpting. This is what my stomach is looking like before. I'm like decently lean right now. I'm not the leanest. Well, hopefully this will extra snatch me like here. And apparently it helps with the fat here. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys the after, and I believe we're doing 6 sessions of it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, obviously, in like further vlogs. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, and she's married.
She is.
This is what it's looking like right after. So this is only the first session. We're gonna do 6 and it's weekly. So we just did the lower portion of my stomach and the sides a little bit. I know it looks like it's painful. I promise you guys, it literally does not hurt at all, and I'm super excited to see the results. She said that I can also do like a light workout if I wanted to. So this is Body FX, by the way, and if you guys are planning on coming here, definitely obviously go to Tracy. She will help you with everything. She did my facial and she did an amazing job. I can already feel like my skin, it just feels nice and like refreshed. So It's funny because, oh my gosh, this looks crazy. The only sweater that I brought today, so people are gonna look at me like, is she okay? Oh my god, but it's fine. Oh well, I don't care. That's what it's looking like, you guys. So this is the end of my beauty maintenance vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in next week's vlog, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, love you guys. Bye.